This time I'd like to introduce Ross Garber, who is running for the State Attorney General's office.
Thank you. Hey, thank you. My name is Ross Garber, and I'm running for Attorney General. We have a primary, just like Mayor Behtel said, on August 10th, for the Governor's office, the Lieutenant Governor's office, and also the Attorney General's office. And my suggestion when we talk about the Attorney General's office, frankly, is to look at it differently than you look at other political offices. The Attorney General, in my opinion, is and should be the lawyer for the people and the lawyer for the state. And I suggest that folks, when you're thinking about who to choose for your Attorney General, think about who you'd hire as a lawyer for your most important case. And just like prospective clients, I suggest you look at three things. Number one is, what's the lawyer's approach? Number two, what are we talking about for qualifications? What are the lawyer's qualifications? What's the lawyer's experience? And number three, I urge all prospective clients to check references. Don't believe what you see on TV. Don't believe necessarily what you see in ads. Check references. And so let me tell you just a little bit about myself, my approach. My approach to the job is that the Attorney General shouldn't be about himself or herself, shouldn't be about raising his or her political profile, or making a name for him or herself, or pushing particular policy positions. The approach should be, and my approach will be, to focus on the job of representing the people of Connecticut and championing the rights of people in Connecticut. Protecting consumers, it's a big and important job. Protecting businesses in the state. Doing it in a way that doesn't chase jobs out of Connecticut. That's my approach. Providing good legal advice and counsel to state agencies. And representing the state in court. That's my approach. It's not about me. It's not about my policies. It's about representing the state of Connecticut and the people of Connecticut. All right. Well, how do we know that I can actually get that done? Well, I'll tell you just a little bit about my experience. I'm a partner in a law firm called Shipman & Goodwin, and I have dedicated my career to government investigations work. Antitrust cases, consumer protection cases, healthcare fraud cases, representing state agencies in significant matters. Excuse me, that is what I have done for a living. I spent almost 20 years doing it. I'm happy to say I get hired by individuals, by companies, by state agencies for significant matters. And so when I tell you I will do these things, I think if you look at my experience, it will reflect that I can do these things. And you know, you'll hear, or you've already heard from the candidates for governor, you heard from Mayor Bowden. We are going to be entering, and we frankly are in, whether we realize it or not, challenging times. And when my clients have challenging times, they need a good, qualified lawyer. And that's what I intend to be. And the third thing is, I suggest to prospective clients that you check references. And you know, I'm reasonably well known in the legal community. I've chaired the Connecticut Judicial Review Council, which oversees judicial ethics in Connecticut, and I've dedicated a lot of time to ethics issues. I'm on the Federal Grievance Panel, which oversees ethics of lawyers in federal court, and I've written on attorney ethics and government ethics. I'm a contributing author of a book called Ethical Standards in the Public Sector. And so I urge you to check with people you know, check with lawyers you know, check with public officials you know, and ask them about me. And so I guess I'll close, frankly, by asking for your support. August 10th is going to be an important day. We as Republicans are going to get to choose who we want to represent us, who our standard bearers will be, and who our nominee for Attorney General is. Who is going to represent us? Who's going to represent the state? And I ask for your support because it's a job that I can do and I'd like to do. Thank you very much.